In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to open your Buick LaCrosse key fob to replace the internal battery at home. You might have a device that looks very similar to this, but instead of having 5 buttons, it might have 4 or 3 buttons. And also, instead of having colors on this little emblem, it might just be all silver, all gray. Don't worry, these are all the same basic device, just different versions. And the process to change the battery is exactly the same. And the battery itself is the same, so just follow along with me, and I promise we will get a new battery in your device in no time. All you will need is one of these CR2032 batteries. We'll put a link down in the description here on YouTube, so you can get one of those on Amazon if you're interested, and it's just a couple of bucks, so check that out, and then we can just get right into it. The first step is to look at the back of the device. You can hold down this silver button, and then pull out the internal key. There we go. And now we're just going to use the very same key to pry this device open. What you want to do is just insert it in, and you're just going to pull back to take off this back section of plastic. And if you feel in there and you kind of pull up while you're sliding the key in and out, you can feel there's a little lip. See that? There's a little lip inside there. You want to be above that. So you're just barely putting the key in, and then you're pulling back. And it will come off really easily. And let me show you what I was just doing so you can get a better idea. So here's where the key goes. And as you can see, it's housed in this little piece of plastic. So if you're in there like a couple inches and I'm pulling, doesn't matter what happens, you're just gonna break your device. It's not gonna go anywhere. So you just wanna be above this little lip there. You wanna insert it a couple centimeters, and you're just going to pry, and it's going to push off one side of the device. So show you that really quickly, and then we'll move on to the next step. Just inserting it in barely, prying, and it will crack open. And we can remove this, set this to the side. You can just pull the battery out with your fingernail, or you can use something like a pen, pencil, flathead screwdriver. I'm just going to use this flathead screwdriver and get under the battery and just gently pull it up. Now we can get rid of our old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you put it in, make sure the positive side goes face down. So you do not want the text and information facing up. You want the back side facing up. And now we can just set this right on top, and you will just click it all back together and put your key back in there, and you are done. I hope that was helpful for you. If it was, feel free to give this video a like or let me know down in the comment section. And if you ever need help replacing the battery in another one of your key fobs, come check us out here on YouTube, where we have videos for the devices for pretty much every maker model. And you can also get all of this information and more directly at our website, fobbattery.com.